I'm going to begin by drawing the top section of the hair and then taking a triangulated portion, a triangulated section to the top, twisting it and then tying it into one or two, sometimes even three knots, creating a nice firm base. Use as many as you feel comfortable with. Wrap the remainder of the base with a rubber band to the scalp, taking the midsection from lower crown, upper occipital, and twisting it into the scalp or into the hair, twisting it nice and firmly using Kenra volume spray to keep it smooth, then adding hairpins and bob pins to lock the base to the scalp. I then take a side section going on either side. You choose which one first, brush it back with Kenra volume spray, and then I twist that section, go around my base ponytail in the back. Then using bob pins or hairpins to anchor it down, Kenra volume spray to secure it. Go to the next side, do the same thing. This one I'm going a little higher, creating a little asymmetry in it, and then wrapping around it, same thing, twisting it nice and tight like a Vanuatu knot, and then just kind of twisting it in and pinning it down. Once I've completed that, I might hit it with a volume spray once again. Now I'm going to take a large section, a large version of that in the crown area to create height, and that's going to give me sections to bring down into the back. There's our finished result. Tell me what you think.